In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts into Gmail using a Google Spreadsheet. Now, if you've ever found yourself trying to manually add contacts into your Gmail account, you already know it can be a painstaking process, especially when dealing with large numbers. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll learn a much more efficient way to bring all your contacts into Gmail in just a few simple steps, leveraging the power of Google Spreadsheets. Let's get started with the first step. You'll begin by accessing your Google Contacts. To do this, head over to Google Contacts by typing contacts.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting Enter. This will take you to the Google Contacts homepage. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account you want to import contacts into. Once you're there, look towards the left menu bar and find the Import option. This is the key to bringing in your contacts all at once. When you click on Import, you'll see an option prompting you to select a CSV file to upload. But what is a CSV file, you might wonder? CSV stands for comma-separated values, and it's a simple file format used to store tabular data, such as a spreadsheet or database. It's a way that programs like Google Contacts can easily read and understand the data you've prepared in a spreadsheet. Next, let's move on to creating your CSV file using Google Sheets. Open a new Google spreadsheet by going to sheets.new in your web browser. In your spreadsheet, you'll want to set up the columns correctly. Typically, you'll have columns for first name, last name, email address, and any other contact details you want to include, like phone numbers or addresses. Fill in these rows with your contact information. After your spreadsheet is complete and filled with data, you'll need to download it as a CSV file. To do this, click on File in the upper left corner, then Download, and select the comma-separated values .csv current sheet option. This will save your spreadsheet data in a format that Google Contacts can interpret and upload. Back in Google Contacts, click on the Select a File button in the Import window, which will open a file selector. Navigate to where you saved your CSV file and select it. Once you've chosen your file, click on Import. The system will begin to process the file and import your contacts. This usually takes just a moment, and once it's done, you'll see all your newly imported contacts appear in your Google Contacts list. And there you have it. You've successfully imported your contacts into Gmail using a Google spreadsheet. It's such a straightforward and efficient method, especially compared to adding each contact one by one. I hope this step-by-step guide has made the process clear and easy to follow.